Hey guys, it's Ruth Nanda here, coming to you guys with a video on how to wash your natural hair or hair in general. So if you guys are interested in this video, then keep watching.
Used to like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit.
So the reasons behind cleansing or washing our hair is to remove dirt, debris, odor, sweat, oils that we have that is sitting on our scalp. Okay, if we do not remove that stuff, I mean, we'll have buildup of old products, buildup of old gel that will sit on our scalp that will create dandruff, dry scalp, and whole other stuff, and then certain odors. So if you're not washing or cleansing your hair, then I think you should be doing that, sis, because that's kind of dirty to me if you're not. But I mean, it's to each his own on how many times you choose to cleanse or wash your hair and how you want to do it. Because you can be washing your hair bi-weekly, you can be washing your hair weekly, you can be washing your hair monthly. It's like I said, it's up to you and it's up to your hair type. Because if you have overly dry hair, maybe you might not want to wash your hair, you know, every week. You may want to do it bi-weekly. And some people actually do it daily. Really, depending on how they feel, they would actually wash their hair daily. But I think you should be cleansing or washing your hair. And the type of cleansers or shampoos that you're using is all up to you. I will put it on somewhere on the screen here, the different types that I have to display or that I have in my presence that I use to wash my hair. I mean, I use clarifying shampoos, I use moisturizing shampoos, I use clays, I use co-washes. That's all on me. That's what my choices are for using to wash my hair. I mean, it's all up to you, but making sure you're incorporating washing or cleansing your hair in your regimen is something I think we all should be doing. People also pre-poo their hair prior to shampooing. That's also on you as well, because I know some people prior to using a clarifying shampoo that would really strip all the oils, the dirt, and everything off their hair, they will use something moisturizing. So for me, I would use aloe vera plant leaf. I will link that video up above too as well, showing you how I use my aloe vera. You can do that as well. I think people also pre-poo with certain creams or detangler, store-bought or natural. They put that on their hair before they actually cleanse their hair. But that also is an option. That is also a preference for you. If you don't want to do pre-pooing, you don't have to do it. I don't always do it, but it's out there for you to do if you would like to. So enough about the chit chat. Let's get into how you wash your natural hair. Well, how I wash my natural hair. So the first thing I like to do is section off my hair into 4 sections so it's easy to manage, and then I just work with one section at a time, and I detangle my hair before I shampoo. And I used my water bottle to be able to make sure my hair is saturated, because you can cause breakage if you try to detangle your hair when it is dry. So note that, so you can stop having so much breakage, or to increase your hair growth and length retention. So definitely make sure you spray your hair with some water or whatever, apply something to moisturize your hair to make it easier to detangle, so you don't get a lot of single strand knots and everything like that. Note all the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box below, so definitely check the description if you want to know where I got some of the items, or if you want to purchase some of the items that I use in this video. After I usually finger detangle, I go back in with a comb sometimes. This is not something I do all the time, but if I want to be extra sure that I have no knots in my hair, I definitely go in and detangle it with the comb and then twist it up and put it to the side. And whenever you get done, you will see how detangled your hair is. Girl, look at that shine, y'all. Look at the shine. Okay, so once I'm done detangling, I go in and make sure I saturate my hair and make sure it's wet, and just get enough shampoo to coat my roots. So I go in and make sure I apply the shampoo to my roots, because its main focus right now is to cleanse your scalp, to get rid of all the debris and dirt. So make sure you're doing that, and using the balls of your fingers, not your nails, but the balls of your fingers, to be able to massage your scalp and get rid of all of that dirt. So make sure you're not scratching your scalp. So guys, I was adding more shampoo because my hair needs a lot of shampoo to lather up, but definitely use as much shampoo as you need. Don't listen to people, dime size, quarter size, whatever. Use what you need for your hair, okay? And whenever I'm done shampooing, I just go ahead and take it and wrap it up and pin it up and just go on to the next section. So yeah. So guys, I do appreciate you checking out my video on how I wash my natural hair. If you guys have any other tips or have another way of the way you wash your hair, or any videos that you would like me to film for you, definitely comment down below and let me know. And thumbs up this video if you also like this video, and hit your notification button so you know whenever I upload, because I'm going to come to you with another video on how you condition your hair, or how I condition my hair. So if you guys are interested in that video, definitely stay tuned. So until next time guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.